It was always a source of motivation. I believe it was Irvin Peterson, Harrington, and Rob Morris,